Welcome back to GTU, everybody. Wasatch Medical Clinic in Murray has a breakthrough treatment for ED, and we're here with Caitlin Harward in this sponsored interview to talk more about it. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay, why are so many men wanting to get off the pills?
Yeah, so the pills and injections have been around for such a long time, but they come around with the spontaneity issues and the side effects. And these are just vasodilators, so they temporarily open up the blood vessels, but acoustic wave therapy is trying to open up the blood vessels for a longer period of time.
Okay, this is that treatment that everybody's talking about. What is acoustic wave therapy?
Yeah, so what it is, it's a small device that's placed on the skin, and it produces gentle pressure waves down to the blood vessels, opening them back up, allowing for greater blood flow when and where a guy needs it the most.
So we always show this graphic, and you're looking at the before and the after, and those are the blood vessels. That's the blood flow.
That is exactly it. And what's not showing here is something called neovascularization, which is the creation of new blood vessels that happen as well.
And that happens after how many treatments, Caitlin?
Yeah, so every guy is completely different. So you come in and you talk to a doctor and have a treatment plan set up, and in a 2 to 3 week period of time, you have as many treatments as needed. Some see it after the first treatment, and some need a couple to see.
Does it hurt?
No, so there's absolutely no pain and no downtime with this. It's a 15-minute treatment. You could come in on your downtime and go back to work, go back to the gym, whatever it may be afterwards.
I try to think of all the questions that people ask, and I'm thinking that's probably the number one.
Number one.
Number one. And then the second one is, does it really work?
Yeah, so we are seeing an 80% success rate here at Wasatch Medical Clinic, so we are super excited about
That's
it.
big.
That's huge.
All right, so if someone out there's thinking, I haven't wanted to try it, I want to read more about it, everyone, there are studies, dozens and dozens of studies on your website.
Yeah, so if you go to wasatchmedicalclinic.com, you can see any and all information as well as those studies. There's over 60 clinical studies that show both the efficacy and lack of side effects with acoustic wave therapy in treating ED, both by Cambridge University and the Cleveland Clinic, to name just a few.
No side effects,
No side effects.
Which is what you want to hear. So you've expanded across the country. I love it. It's not just here, everyone. People across the country are talking about this. If you do nothing about ED, will it go away?
No, this will not go away over time. So this is the blood vessels that just break down over time. So if you do nothing, nothing is going to happen. But acoustic wave therapy is there for you to expand those blood vessels.
Well, and let's remind our viewers, this is not just an aging issue. You are seeing patients as young as?
As 18. So we have new studies that show 50% of men in their 40s are now dealing with this. And I think it's actually a wider number, and not a lot of men want to talk about it because it could be something that is seen as embarrassing, but it is so prevalent. So we need to have this open dialogue and discussion.
Okay, so yes, and that's what we're doing here on Good Things Utah, because this is tough to talk about for so many people. Can you bring in your significant other?
Yeah, so we see better results when the significant other comes in, and I think it's because the communication is open and it's not something to be embarrassed about, and they work on it together.
We all know that intimacy is so important in a successful relationship. All right, you have something special for our viewers today. What is that?
Yes, so guys, don't put this off any longer. If you call us today, we'll give you the free assessment, free exam, even the free blood flow ultrasound. We will also throw in a special gift for you and your significant others. And ladies, be that safe space for your gentleman and give us a call today.
WasatchMedicalClinic.com, but the number is so important, 801-901-8000. Make sure you call. We'll put all that information on the sponsored interview on our website. Good to see you, Caitlin.
Good to see you.